So let's round up my setup and let me introduce you to my streaming microphone. This is the Endorfy Solum Voice S. No filters, no post-processing. For under 2000 Rand, is this the budget streaming setup that delivers professional sound? Let's find out. So from Endorfy, a brand that makes waves in the creator space, comes the Solum Voice S, a USB condenser microphone bundled with a shock mount, pop filter, and sturdy streaming arm. So it's designed for streamers, podcasters, and even content creators seeking quality without breaking the bank. Now, in terms of its features, it has a cardioid polar pattern focusing on sound from the front, minimizing any noise from the background. It supports 24-bit audio with 96,000 Hz audio resolution for high quality sound capture. It has a USB Type-C connection, meaning plug and play for Windows, Mac, Linux, PS4, PS5, and any device that has a USB Type-C. That makes it perfect for even content creators who are starting out, that's just shooting content with their smartphones. In terms of its onboard controls, it has a touch-sensitive mute button at the top of the device, a audio gain or a gain knob, and a 3.5mm jack for real-time monitoring at the back. You have dual foam filters, which are internal and external pop filters to reduce plosive sounds. And you have a customizable RGB ring here around the gain knob that adds your own dynamic touch. So what you would notice is I have my device on an arm. So this is the streaming boom arm that you can purchase for your Endorfy microphone, but it also comes with this base stand that you can place on your desk. So the Solum Voice S packs features typically found in higher end microphones, offering creators a versatile and user-friendly experience. Now, let's dive into an audio test. So this is an audio test of the Solum Voice S, and this is me talking normally. I can adjust the volume, and I can even mute it mid-sentence, and I can pick it up. So this is the Solum Voice S with the same level of audio, now with the pop filter placed on the device to prevent plosive P's. So this is the audio test of the Solum Voice S. Now let's take a look at the build of this microphone. The microphone itself boasts a compact metal body measuring 170 by 74 by 74 millimeters, weighing just 228 grams. The streaming arm, which is sold separate, is robust, offering flexibility and stability for various desk setups with the ability of moving it as you see fit. Now, this device is ideal for beginner streamers, podcasters, remote workers. It offers professional grade audio without the complexity or cost of high-end setups. Speaking of cost, what does this actually cost? So the Solum Voice S retails for about 1,800 to 2,000 Rand. The Solum Voice S is available in a bundle which provides exceptional value, especially considering the inclusion of streaming boom arm. If you want to pick it up, there's a link in the description below to today's video sponsor, Vanguard PCs. So what are my thoughts on the pros and cons of the Solum Voice S? Starting off, you get high quality audio capture, right? The second, you have the flexibility of using it with the stand, the desk stand, or the flexibility of purchasing it with a boom arm, which is 100% compatible. You also have user-friendly controls, meaning mute, your audio gain, and fourth is the ability of listening to your audio in live, which is very hard for some people to do. And the fifth is the fact that this is compatible with multiple platforms and multiple devices. Now, coming to the cons, the first is there's no companion software for advanced customization and control of the microphone. The second is you have limited RGB lighting options. And the third has to be the fact that it is solely USB Type-C. So as much as it's a pro that it's Type-C, that it supports multiple platforms, there's no other options. I mean, you have your headphone out only, but no 3.5mm or XLR compatibility as well. The Solum Voice S stands out as a top choice for creators seeking quality and affordability. If you're looking to elevate your content without breaking the bank, this mic deserves a spot on your desk. Guys, a huge shout out to Vanguard PCs for gifting us the Solum Voice S and the streaming boom arm. I mean, without Vanguard PCs, we wouldn't have this baller setup, including my keyboard, which is the TKL Endorfy, my mouse, which is the Endorfy Gem Plus, my headphones, which is the Endorfy Viro Infra, and lastly, my streaming microphone, which is the Endorfy Solum Voice S. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving me a like rating if you did. Let me know what your thoughts are about the Solum Voice S, and if you are considering any of the Endorfy products seen on my desk setup. Guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prashant and I will catch you in the next video.